song is called Songbird. It's about a girl I met. I dropped out of school and wandered around. And I spent some time in New Orleans, and I played at a cathedral for tips. And this girl came by, and she said she could help with harmonies. And each day I came, she would be there. And about the fourth day, she did show up. Anyway, she had a beautiful voice, and that's about as far as it went. Frayed jeans and tie-dye shirt, barefoot for what it's worth. Between sets, she said she could help with the harmony. Looked like she hadn't eaten in a week. Dropped out of school, living on the street. Nothing romantic, she smiled and bargained with me. It was the fifth song of the set. Some old timer got a bit upset and yelled, "That's enough of you, let the young gal sing a song." I didn't argue when she began. From the start she held it in the palm of her hand. I sat there and strummed along. I sang that song 100 times. Sure, I drained the gold line, but she painted a picture I'd never heard. She was a songbird, one note and heads would turn. She was a morning maid. She was a songbird, they hushed each other on every word. They knew the moment was wrong to stay. She'd take the breath away. She was young but then old. The way stories are sometimes told, they broke trust couldn't pay. When I suggested she stay close, buy her shoes and make the most, this songbird flew away. She was a songbird, one note and heads would turn. She was a morning maid. She was a songbird, they hushed each other on every word. They knew the moment was long to stay. She'd take the breath away. She was a songbird, one note and heads would turn. She was a morning. She was a songbird, they hushed each other on every